giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of
Yeah, there's a particular thing I really wanted to see on this boat. I'm almost done with the work. Just finished with this piece last night. I'm about to spray it to look like this one. So what I'm about showing you now is some of the little features in this boat. Why do I love him so much? You know, I call him my babe because uh, it's gonna make your work a little bit lighter. And if you're stressing, like if you look in front here, the speakers I customized. It's actually a gadget that you can lock for security reasons, so that kids may not really be able to tamper with it. I actually did this when I was done with the main construction there. I felt like it isn't gonna be safe because where I'll be leaving it is at the river, and you know we leave it like every day. Go home to sleep. At times it might take weeks. You don't get there. So I actually did this to serve as some kind of security. You know, not that very solid, but for those who are handicapped. But look at this now. This is a drainage. You see, the water comes out of here. As you can see, whenever it pours right in here, all of this section, as I said, to the bow of the boat, every water that falls in here flows out. It doesn't really stay in. It drains from those two plugs out into the water. Now, another thing again, these are the wires which are actually extended off back from the source itself, so that it can supply the headlights and supply the radio. It's we actually have the radio installed, but one particular thing I really wanted to show you today on this workpiece. This is the storage. This is switch for these two devices are installed here, one by one here. This device is its main function. You're gonna see it in a moment. Let me just power the switch on now. You can hear the sound. Look outside and see what's happening. It's spitting out the water that's inside of the boat here, on both sides of it, and you can see it looks beautiful, right? As you can see, I'm actually using a very little battery to power the system. The battery I'm using is from my little Honda bike. I know very well that if you can give it a higher power, just connect like a 12-volt battery from a car something like 75 to 100 amps. I believe it'll do a lot more better. So I actually like this so much because I don't you can imagine how most times you go to the river to start your boat. It has rained so much during the night, and you just have to keep bailing and bailing. All of that, it does scratch the surface of the boat, the floor of it. It does wound the paint and makes it look old. But I believe with this system, you don't have any hard scrubbing to do on the boat, other than just washing it. So this is just what I wanted to show you today. This piece you're seeing actually is to host the umbrella that's gonna, I'll show you in the video a little while. The Shire branch that's in front there. Oh, still not giving up. They're in there now.
Right now, I'm about to launch speedboats. Shire River. Shire River, yeah. Yeah, finally they've untied the boats. And let's see. See that? Yeah.
Yeah, I will be testing this Yamaha 15 horsepower on the 17-foot long boat, 4 feet 8 inches wide, well, the total width of it, that's the wideness, and almost about 21 inches deep. So I'll be taking this thing right now to see how far it can go. I'm about starting up. Taking this thing now to see